Hi, I'm Mike Berry, and I'm a lecturer and trainer and consultant and author in digital marketing. Well, I've written this book with two co-authors, Marjolein Visser and Berend Sikkenga, and it's called Digital Marketing Fundamentals: From Strategy to ROI. There are some great books about digital marketing, but as I said, there are books about doing digital marketing, which are basically a list of things to do in social media, or how to do SEO, or how to interpret analytics. But this one starts from the beginning, and we look at marketing in its totality. We think about the 4 Ps, the product, the price, and the distribution, and of course marketing communications, the 4th P, promotion, and we put it all together. Well, the first thing is available on the Routledge website, routledge.com, part of Taylor & Francis, also available in other places, and it's easy to order. And I also think that this book will make a difference in the classroom, in the lecture theatre, in practitioners' lives. So we believe that it's actually filling a gap in the market, and we're very pleased with the end result. We recommend it.